Hello students, today we will continue our same topic, that is exercise 14.1. Today we will do assume mean method. Assume mean method is the selection of assume mean method is totally depend on the interval. If the height of the interval, difference of the interval is not same, then this condition we will use assume mean method. As you can see in this question, difference in the first interval is 6. In second one we have 4, in third one again 4, in next 6, again in next 8, then 10, then 2. So difference is not same, then we will use assume mean method. In all the three methods, first of all we have to find out class marks, that is xi. Xi is the mid value of the interval. So in first we have 0 to 6, we have mid value is 3. In second one we have 8, then 12, then 14 to 20 mid value we can find out by adding the terms and divide by 2. In next we have 24, then 33 and then 39. In this question we have to find out mid value of every interval because difference is not same. Then next column will be di. If we compare this method to step deviation method, next column was ui and the formula of ui was xi minus a divided by h. Here formula of di will be xi minus a. Just xi minus a. We will remove the term h because h is the height of the interval and height it is not same. That's why we will remove here h. So formula is xi minus a. A is assumed mean, which is the mid value of xi, and here mid value of xi is a. So we can write it in our question that a is 70. Also formula of assumed mean method is a plus summation fi di divided by summation fi. It is same as step deviation method, just remove the term h, which is height of the interval. So we have to find out here fi and di, multiplication of fi and di, after that summation. So first of all find out di, then multiply fi and di. Di is xi minus a, that means subtract from every term value of a, that is 17. So after subtraction we get here minus 14, then 8 minus 17, then we have minus 9, minus 5, then in front of a we have term 0, in the lower side we have 7, 16 and then 22. This is di. After that multiply fi and di. After that we have to do the summation. So after multiplication we get here minus 154, then 10 and 9 we have minus 90, 7 and 5 35, 4 and 0 0, 4 and 7 28, 16 and 3 48, and after that 22. After that we have to do here summation of this complete column. So sum of this complete column, then we get last value is minus 181. After that put all the value in this formula. Value of a is 17 plus summation fi di, that is minus 81, divide by summation of fi, this is 40. So 17, cancel out the term. If it is not cancel out, then change it into decimal form. Then we get 4 minus 52 and our final answer will be 12.48. So this is our question. This is the method assumed mean method. Just difference in both of the method is the term hi. Just remove the term from di and also from the formula. Now we will do next question. Statement is interval is 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 23 and 25. In this question, one term is missing and we have to find out this term. Frequency is Fy is 7, 6, 9, 13, F5 and 4. We have to find out value of F. One term is missing in frequency. We have to find out value of F. And also in this question mean is given. So we will use here, we can use any method. So first of all find out xi. After this we will select which method we will follow here. Xi is mid value of the interval. So here first term will be 12. After that 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. As term of xi are very small, so we can use direct method. So next column will be Fy and xi. Now multiply the term. After multiplication 12 and 7, we get here 84. Then again 84, 144. In next term 13 and 18, 2, 34. Then 20 and F. We have 20 F. 22 and 5, 110 and 96. Direct method is summation xi divided by summation Fy. So we have to do the sum of this column. Sum all the term except 20F, because this is not the like term. We have to do the sum like term. This is not a like term. This is 20F. To sum all the column except 20F. After sum, we get here 752. Also, we need sum of xi. So, sum of xi also except the term f and then sum all the term. We get here 44 plus f. Now, put the value here. Divide by 44 plus f. This is the mean. Also in this question mean is given, which is equal to 18. So this is our equation from where we can find out value of f by cross multiplication. So when we do here cross multiply, (752) plus 20f is equal to 18 multiplied by 44 plus f. We will do here cross multiply. Then 752 plus 20f is equal to 18 and 44. When we multiply this term, we get here 792 plus 18f. After that, transpose the like terms in one side. These are like terms, so 18 negative, 792, transpose this term, minus 752. We get here 2f is equal to 40, then value of f is 20. This is our question. Okay.